Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the dock and menu bar settings on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Dock and Menu Bar. Here there are plenty of settings that you can change. You can change the dock size and change the icon magnification. You can change the dock's position on the screen along with lots of other settings below. In the left sidebar menu, there are also a lot of settings that you can edit, like enabling and disabling the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar, along with many other things. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.